Hey guys, what's going on? Brandon Vitro here, and in this video, we're going to be talking about how you can invest your first $100. And if you've never invested before, that is okay. We're going to take you through step by step what you can do and what you need to do to start being able to invest money. So the first thing you can do to invest your first $100 is hit that like button. Just kidding, but the first actual thing that I would recommend for you for investing your first $100 would be something like either spending it on books or spending it on getting an Audible membership. If you use my link below to get an Audible membership, you'll get 2 books for free and the first month for free. And then it's $14 a month and you get a new book every single month. And the books that you get are free to keep forever, even if you cancel your membership. And so I think this would be a really good way to invest your money. I personally use Audible to listen to audiobooks while I'm working out, while I'm in the car, and you can learn so much, and you can actually learn from the top business people in the world. You can learn from the richest people in the world. You can learn so much from the best authors in the world just through an Audible membership. And so you're investing in yourself with this. And basically all you have to do is pop in a couple of headphones, and while you're working out or you're on your way to school or work, you can listen to some really good information and really help you get ahead in life. So by investing in yourself and your education, you're learning a lot about the things that you want to learn about. You're learning about business, you're learning about personal finance or self-help. Whatever it is that you want to learn, you're going to be able to learn it from these books. It's personally where I would put my first $100. And if you don't like audiobooks, that's okay. You can just buy regular books with this money. And that's personally where I would put my first $100 is audiobooks. I just like them more than regular books. But that's probably the first thing I would invest into if I had $100. The next best thing that I would invest into if I had $100 would be the stock market. Now I know it may sound a little stressful investing in the stock market. You know, maybe it's a little too much to handle, or maybe you don't know anything about it. That's okay. Don't worry about that. Don't stress about it. This first $100 is going to be like your trial run. So you can make some mistakes with your first $100. If you lose money, it doesn't matter. It's okay. Just start learning about the stock market, start trying to invest in things, and it's going to be fun. You might lose a little money, so it might hurt a little bit, or maybe you'll make a little money and you'll feel amazing about it. Either way, it's going to be a great learning experience, and you're only risking $100. So I think it's a really good idea to just start investing with that money. And so basically when it comes to investing, you can either do short-term investing or long-term. I personally invest for the long term. I'm investing just for like when I retire and I'm ready to start drawing money to live off of. So you can invest using like an app like Robinhood, or you can use something like M1 Finance. And the main difference here that I think is M1 Finance is going to let you invest in a bunch of different ETF options, whereas Robinhood is mainly for stocks. Now I know that sounds really complicated, but ETFs are basically like collections of a bunch of different stocks. So let's say you spend $100 on ETFs, you are going to own a tiny fraction of a bunch of different stocks. Whereas if you spend $100 in the stock market on Robinhood buying different stocks, you'll probably own like 5 or 6 stocks that are going to equal up to about $100. And so the benefit of doing something on M1 Finance, where you're using these ETFs, which is a group of a bunch of stocks, is you're getting tiny amounts of a bunch of them. So if one of them goes down, it's not really going to hurt you that bad because a bunch of the other ones could have gone up. Whereas if you are only able to invest in 5 different stocks because you only have $100 and one of those stocks tanks, you know, that's going to hurt your pocket a little more than if you go with an index fund. And that's really, the main thing here is just to know that index funds are typically safer. Index funds and ETFs, stuff like that, are typically safer. Luckily for you, you're starting with $100, so you can risk losing a little bit of money here and there if you want to try Robinhood. And I actually have a link to both of those apps. If you sign up for M1 Finance using my link, you'll get $10 free towards investing. And if you sign up for Robinhood using my link, you'll get a free stock. Personally, I use and would recommend M1 Finance. It's a little more advanced and you can do a lot more with it, I think. And you can set up automatic investments. And so I think that's like the main reason I do it. And the fact that you're able to invest in all these different ETFs. Now, thing number 3 that you're able to invest your money into, $100, I would say would be a YouTube channel. So it doesn't take a lot of time or money to set up and start a YouTube channel. And with $100, you could probably get yourself up and running. Now, I know you may not think a YouTube channel is that big of an investment, but if you put $100 towards it and you really start pumping out a lot of videos, you could actually start making money from making your videos. In fact, with $100, you could probably get a few lights, maybe a new microphone, and you could probably use your cell phone as your camera. So if you have like a newer iPhone or a newer Galaxy, you could probably use the camera on there as your main camera, and then just get some extra light so the video looks good. And a good microphone goes a long way. You can probably get all that for $100. And with all those things, if you have good topics to talk about and you're constantly making videos, it is very, very possible to make money on YouTube. It's all about consistency, making sure you're posting videos. And if you do that, once you've built up 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 minutes of watch time, you can start making money on YouTube. So you can definitely get there if you start investing your time and a little bit of money right now. And over time, you can watch it grow. And the most important things with YouTube are patience, making sure you're patient, and letting your channel grow over time, knowing that it's not going to just be an overnight thing. And also enjoying what your videos are about and enjoying the time that you're spending making videos. Now, I have a fourth way, which is kind of like a little bonus way that you could invest $100, and it would be something like creative. Like you could go to Costco or BJ's or Sam's Club, and you could go there and get a giant pack of candy bars. Let's say it costs you, like, each candy bar comes out to like 70 cents each. Then you could go somewhere that's very popular, that a lot of people go, maybe a lot of tourists go, that you live next to, and you could go and sell those for like $1.50, $2 each. And people are going to buy candy bars because it's delicious, and who doesn't want a candy bar? Or you could do something else, like going to thrift shops, finding some clothes that's worth kind of a lot of money, but it's at a thrift shop, so they're not really going to charge that much for it. And then you can buy it from the thrift shop and then sell it on eBay and make a little bit of money there. So it's just little things like this where you can flip things and make a little bit of money. You know, if you only have $100 to start, that would be a pretty good option for you because, you know, you can afford to get some candy bars and go sell them to some people. So I really hope this video helped you out a lot. And if it did, please hit that thumbs up button, that like button down below. And also subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. And if you do want to learn more about money and finance and credit cards and stuff like this, then go ahead and watch some more of my videos, and I'll see you guys there.